So welcome back, YouTube. Today you tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and we're back at it again today. So today I'm going to be making some chicken parmesan. So I got some chicken breasts, of course, white flour, eggs, Italian herb breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, tomato sauce, parsley, and some Parmesan cheese. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to season our chicken. Keep it really simple with salt and black pepper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip them over, season them on the other side. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put this in our plain white all-purpose flour. The plain all-purpose white flour is going to help the seasoning stick on before you put in the egg yolk. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put our chicken after we have combined it with the flour in the egg yolk. Just want to get it covered all around there. And now we're going to go ahead and put it in the breadcrumbs. And you can see now, you can't see the plain white flour anymore. So we're going to go ahead and repeat that process for the next chicken breast. First, put in your all-purpose white flour. Get it all covered around there. Okay, now we're going to put it in your egg yolk. And now it's going to go in your breadcrumbs. Okay, you want to make sure all the yolk is covered up on there with the breadcrumbs. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get our grease heated. Stay tuned, you guys. Okay, so now we have our grease hot. We're going to go ahead and put our chicken breast in here. And we don't want it overdone because we don't want it to come out nice, tough and dry. Stay tuned, you guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take them out. See, that's how you want them, that nice brown crust on there. So now we're going to go ahead and go over here and put our tomato sauce and Parmesan cheese on top. So you guys, put the tomato sauce over top of there. I don't really like to put a lot of tomato sauce. Some people do. But just enough so it has that tomato flavor. Now we're going to come across with our Parmesan cheese. We're going to hit it with a little dab of parsley on top of there. And we're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright, so our chicken parmesan is done and out the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on our plate for serving. Hey, smells amazing, looks amazing. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, this is a very simple recipe you can do for yourself. See, I try to make the portion more smaller for people who don't have big families. And you could go ahead and add spaghetti noodles to this, or any kind of pasta you prefer, and make this a meal. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.